Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about English Progressive Class 2, Unit number 5, Lesson 1, and it's on page number 26. Now open your book, page number 26. Unit 5. What's it made of? Okay, here you have given exercise A or question A. Read the story and answer the question. And the question is, what story does Ali want? First of all, read the story and then answer this question. First of all, I want to tell you about fairy and elves. You can look here, fairy. Fairy किसको कहा जाता है? Yes, you know, परी. And what is mean by elves? Elves कौन होते हैं? Basically, elves जिन और भूत को कहा जाता है. Okay? Okay, now move on the next slide. Ali. Ali, Mummy, can you read us a bedtime story? Mummy, of course. What kind of story would you like? अली अपनी मामा से क्या कहते हैं? वो अपनी मम्मी से कहते हैं कि क्या आप हमें बेड टाइम स्टोरी सुना सकती हैं? तो उनकी मम्मी क्या कहती हैं? Yes, of course. What kind of story would you like? Ali, can you tell us a fairy story tonight? अली मामा से क्या कहते हैं अपनी कि क्या आप हमें फेरी स्टोरी सुना सकती हैं? मम्मी, दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया. द थ्री बियर्स और सिंड्रेला. अब एली की मामा उनसे पूछ रही हैं कि आपको कौन सी स्टोरी सुननी है, द थ्री बियर्स एंड और सिंड्रेला. एली, नो थैंक्स. व्हाट्स दैट स्टोरी अबाउट द elves? He want the story about elves. Fiza, Ali's sister. What are elves? अब फिजा पूछ रही है what are elves? We already read about elves. Tell me, what are elves? Yes, bhoot. Mummy, they are little magic people like fairies. Ali, isn't there a story about some elves and a hat maker? Again, Ali मामा से क्या कहते हैं? Isn't there a story about some elves and a hat maker? Mummy, well, he doesn't make hats. He makes shoes. मम्मी ने क्या कहा अली से? He doesn't make hats. वो hats नहीं बनाते. He makes shoes. क्या बनाते हैं वो? Shoes. Are you thinking about the tale of the shoemaker and the elves? Mummy asked him, are you thinking about the tale of the shoemaker and the elves? Ali, that's right. Tell us that one. Ali ने कहा, आप ठीक कह रही हैं, हमें उनके बारे में बताएं. किन के बारे में बताएं? She want story about the tale of the shoemaker and the elves. Okay. The answer of this question, what story does Ali want? Ali want the tale of the shoemaker and the elves. Okay. Okay, now move on the next slide. Here you have given exercise B, and exercise B is about shapes. Ask and answer question about these shapes. Okay. First of all, look at your book. You have given here shapes and names of shapes as well. Example, what the orange shape? It's a triangle. Okay, now you tell me. The first shape is square, second one is triangle, third one is circle, and the last one is rectangle. First of all, tell me what's the name of green shape? Yes, it's a square. And the second one is, what's the orange shape? Tell me what's the orange shape? Yes, it's a triangle. Now the third one is, look at uh, this light and tell me the third one is, what's the red shape? Tell me the name of red shape. Yes, it's a circle. And the last one is, what's the blue shape? Tell me the name of blue shape. Yes, it's a rectangle. Okay, good. Now move on exercise C. And the exercise C is, write the correct words under the pictures. Color the pictures as well. The words you have already given: a cheese sandwich, a gold coin, a leather bag, a glass dish, cotton thread, a plastic calculator. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स गिवन है, कलर्ड पिक्चर्स गिवन है, ठीक है। आपने इन पिक्चर्स को देखना है और अपनी बुक पे वैसा ही कलर करना है, ठीक है। आपने कलर भी करना है और पिक्चर्स के नीचे नेम भी लिखना है कि कौन से पिक्चर का क्या नेम है। Now you have given the first one is a gold coin. Okay. And the color of gold coin is obviously golden. Second one is, what is this? A leather bag. And the color of leather bag is ब्राउन. आप अपनी मर्जी से भी इसमें कलर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। रेड कलर भी कर सकते हैं आप, ग्रीन भी कर सकते हैं, वाइट, एसेट्रा एसेट्रा. एंड थर्ड वन इज कॉटन थ्रेड. थर्ड नंबर पे आपको क्या गिवन है? कॉटन थ्रेड. यू कैन लुक द कलर ऑफ कॉटन थ्रेड इन दिस स्लाइड. And the fourth one is, what is this? Look at this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, cheese sandwich. A cheese sandwich. And what's the color of a cheese sandwich? Yes, you know. And the fifth one is plastic calculator. And what's the color of a plastic calculator? Yes, it's a white, it's a blue, it's a red, it's a pink, etc etc. आप अपनी मर्जी से भी इसमें कलर कर सकते हैं. And the last one is, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a glass dish. It's a glass baking dish. Okay. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Unit 5, lesson number 1. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.